Fire TV and Roku. Just search ABC7 Chicago to download our free app.
And up next right here, a local family going high-tech to make face masks more comfortable for those frontline workers. Summer, but unfortunately that is not a guarantee.
Well, a McHenry family is busy tonight making straps for people who have to wear masks for hours on end. Doug Rindfleisch says he saw the design online, and since his 3D printer was sitting idle, he just decided to make a few. Now, the straps relieve irritation caused by the elastic rubbing on the back of someone's ear. And since offering them up online, he has made hundreds.
I think it's mostly just, people need help with stuff, and we have the means to help them, so we should help.
The family has shipped the straps across the country, even as far away as Italy. Bravo, well done. Well, sports is coming up next, everybody. Mark Giangreco is here now with a look at what's ahead.